This is our 2024 WRX TR, tuner ready. Today's content is going to be a POV drive, all right, point of view drive. Again, this is a 6-speed manual transmission. We're gonna go to this place called Alice's here in California, or Northern California. Let's go ahead and get into it. It's my boy T, by the way. What's up, dog? Car's completely stock right now. We don't have any exhaust. We don't have our mid pipe is still stock, down pipe is stock. This is how our cold start sounds like. We have a retuned steering wheel, so which is really dope. I like it. And also retuned suspension, which is what we needed, especially for our cars. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into it. You excited, bro?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do it, man. Thank you. Wow. Good content. Subaru WRX TR 2024 chasing a BMW M4 G82. I think it's a competition too, bro.
Damn, and he's putting all that stuff.
Bro, it also has a bike now, bro. That's crazy. Oh, my bad. Okay, I guess we're chasing the M4 right now, guys. Hey, shout out to this G82 M4 in front of us, man. This guy's ripping it with his bike on. It's also his roof rack on. I love it, dog. That's how you're supposed to be driving a G82 M4 comp. That's crazy. Officially chasing this G82 M4, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got water? No. Okay. Those Brembo brakes are working, bro. hear that?
Yeah.
Wild. Abajo.
Yep.
Oh, 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 oh. Good so far?
Yeah. Things pretty planted.
Hmm?
This car's pretty planted.
Mm-hmm. Oh. What?
It's wet.
God, huh? I'm scared. I'm scared of the water, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Oh. What?
Wet.
Ah. Wow. Woo. All right, guys, so we made it here at San Gregorio Beach. Again, this 2024 WRX TR has retuned steering wheel, retuned suspension, Brembo brakes. Don't get me started about Brembo brakes, bro. Like I was telling T earlier, like, dog, these Brembo brakes are literally getting into work. Like, I don't know if you felt that earlier, but we actually had, we didn't have any close calls or anything like that, but the brakes were just working super nice. But bro, like, oh my goodness, these brakes. And we got some wheels that are coming in, so you guys might want to stay tuned for that. And we're gonna get rid of this suit. We're gonna paint match that as blue. Also that. I have a lot of bolt-ons we're gonna put in the engine. So I'm pretty excited about this. You know, we're gonna change the exhaust. I know you guys are probably telling me now, bro, why am I even watching this video? Yes, you're watching this video on how the WRX TR actually handles, man. But anyways, you guys, we're most likely gonna end the video here. We're probably still gonna take a few photos on the other side. We're gonna go a little bit south, take some photos by the coast. You know, again, it's a nice day today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe. Before I end the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for PLM. When you guys need all the parts, car parts for your Honda, Subis, BMWs, European, any kind of European cars besides Volkswagen, I believe, and also McLarens and Lamborghinis, we have all those parts at PLM, you guys. So make sure to check us out, privatelablmanufacturing.com. It's gonna be down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, you guys. God bless.